government ministers, senior officials, Your Eminence Fridolin Cardinal Abongo, President of SECAM, Your Eminence Antoine Cardinal Kambanda, Archbishop of Kigali and President of the Rwanda Episcopal Conference, Your Eminence Michael Cardinal Chani, Prefect of the Dicastery for Promoting Integral Human Development, Your Eminences, Excellencies, Bishops, and members of the clergy, Apostolic Nuncio to Rwanda, Most Reverend Arnaldo Sanchez Catalan, distinguished delegates and guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of His Excellency Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda, it is my great honor to welcome you all to Kigali for the 20th Plenary Assembly of the Symposium of Episcopal Conferences of Africa and Madagascar. We are pleased to host this important gathering of church leaders, thinkers, and partners from across the continent and across the world. We thank you for choosing Rwanda as the venue for this assembly. Your gathering here is a sign of solidarity and a powerful message of shared commitment to the values of hope, reconciliation, and peace. These values resonate deeply with the history and aspirations of our country. The theme of this assembly, Christ, source of hope, reconciliation, and peace, is timely and significant. For Rwanda, and indeed many African nations, this theme echoes the complex but determined journey we have taken to rebuild our country, reconcile our people, and envision a future of dignity and justice. In the aftermath of the genocide against the Tutsi in 1994, Rwandans committed to a national transformation grounded in unity, accountability, and healing. That progress has been made possible not only through the work of government, but also through active partnerships, including with faith-based organizations. We recognize and value the long-standing contribution of religious institutions, and particularly the Catholic Church. Its contribution, transformational journey, is recognized in the history and lives of our country. In sectors like education, health, and social cohesion, the impact of the contribution of the Catholic Church is felt and very much appreciated. This plenary assembly is also an opportunity to reflect on the broader role of the Church in addressing the pressing challenges facing our continent. Currently, the multi-stakeholder responses are contributing to our continent's progress in peace building, equality, youth employment, environment protection, and security dimensions. Neither government alone can meet these challenges, nor can faith communities address them in isolation. What we need is a principled partnership rooted in integrity, in mutual respect, and a common vision for a more just, peaceful, and inclusive Africa. Allow me now to continue in French, if you may, for the benefit of our distinguished French-speaking guests. Nous saluons le programme ambitieux de cette Assemblée qui vise à adopter une vision de 25 ans pour l'Église en Afrique. L'engagement stratégique dans les domaines de la consolidation de la paix, de la réconciliation, de l'accompagnement pastoral et du leadership moral sera déterminant pour façonner l'Afrique de demain. Au Rwanda, nous croyons fermement dans la collaboration avec différents acteurs, dont les acteurs religieux. Notre vision 2050 trace une voie vers une société inclusive, fondée sur le savoir et tournée vers un développement durable et équitable. Le rôle des institutions religieuses pour accompagner cette transformation en ancrant nos valeurs communes est essentiel. Pendant que vous engagez vos réflexions au cours de cette semaine sur vos priorités pastorales, je vous encourage à faire entendre votre voix. Il est important de souligner que la réconciliation et la paix ne doivent pas rester des idéaux abstraits, mais qu'elles doivent se concrétiser dans nos foyers, nos communautés, dans nos institutions et dans chacun de nos actes afin de réaliser le développement socio-économique et la dignité humaine tant souhaitée pour nos populations. Distinguished guests, Africa is at crossroads. The wounds of the past are still healing, and new global pressures are emerging. But within these challenges lies a unique opportunity for renewal. The Church in Africa, as a voice of conscience, has a vital role to play in inspiring ethical leadership, promoting dignity, and reinforcing the moral compass of our nations. We stand ready as a government and as a people to continue building inclusive partnership with faith-based actors committed to service, equity, and peace. With these reflections and in the spirit of collaboration and mutual respect, I want to join Cardinal Ambongo in hereby declaring the 20th Plenary Assembly of the Symposium of Episcopal Conferences of Africa and Madagascar in Kigali officially opened. Thank you, and I wish you fruitful deliberations.